Welcome back to another video of Smith's Fishing Outdoors. It's, what, negative 11 feels like negative 40?
Negative 37. It feels like
Rounding
25 mile an hour wind chill. And
cold.
we are testing the limit of the Yukon XT.
It's hot in
Thermal.
here. Oh, I'm about to get smashed.
It is blowing crazy
A
outside.
little tiny bluegill just crushed me on the underwater
We're the only
camera.
one on the ice.
Show you guys that clip right here. A little bluegill just tried to come up to me. Fishing for panfish.
Yeah, we're in the meat market right now.
Meat market,
We
yeah.
call this lake the meat market.
It's got a lot of small bluegills.
Yeah,
A few. It's got a few that are.
but a lot of 7 to 8s.
Yep. It's fun to hammer on some fish every once in a while.
Those are the ones I want to eat anyways. I don't
Yeah.
want to eat the big ones anyways. But you were crazy enough to drag me out here today.
Somehow. Why not?
And you know what? This 900 DNR fabric in this clam, I can't feel the wind at all. It's not even going in through at
Oh,
all.
there's a little bass that just tried to bite me.
It's crazy.
Oh, he's turning around. Oh, he bit me again. The bass felt that big. Little guy.
We got the heater on low,
Yeah.
and we took our big heavy jackets off. It's nothing.
It's nice in here.
I've already got a couple bluegills on the ice.
I was working on camera stuff. Setting the underwater camera down.
Got anything on the camera?
Not yet.
I know you forgot the scooper. Is there a reason why you keep forgetting the scooper?
We have forgot the scooper about the last 4 times we've been out.
It's like the cheapest thing that we could bring in ice fishing, and we can't remember to bring it.
Yeah, it's in the garage and in the back room. We got like 5 of them. We can't remember to grab them before we leave. Something just hit my camera. Started shaking.
So what is something, all your viewers out there, what is something you usually forget when you go ice fishing?
Yeah. For you talking to me?
Yeah, talking to the viewers.
The viewers. If I'm saying what we usually forget is scooper, or we have forgot the auger before.
Auger battery.
Auger battery, that too. That happens. Forget to charge stuff. That happens a lot. Forgot to charge the thing for the underwater camera, so it'll
Turn it.
Everybody has their flaws when you go out ice fishing.
Fisher Smith has flaws.
Yeah. I don't know if that surprises you. It doesn't surprise me.
Look what you got for Christmas.
Birthday, Christmas, kind of in the middle.
Clam Sub-Zero boots. Are they warm?
My feet are warm. I'm wearing clam socks too. All clammed out.
All clammed out.
Show you guys what I'm using here. If you haven't checked out our last video, we went through a bunch of our favorite jigs. So here I have a VMC with a little Mackie plastic there, tip of the spike. Ooh, there's the wind.
It's wind, but we ain't feeling it. There's no breeze in here.
Oh yeah.
We packed just a little snow around the edge, and that was it. It wasn't much for setup on this.
Clam shovel, handy.
Yep.
Handy dandy.
We got about 8 inches of snow. Ooh, I got one coming up after me right now.
Oh, do ya?
Yep. Oh, he's gonna hit me. He's on me.
Yeah, hand me the phone.
Here you go. I got him.
Oh.
Oh, little gill.
PB.
Nah. But I've caught more than you already today.
I've yet to catch one. What are you using there?
I just got a little tungsten tubby on there, a couple spikes, and then I got that's a wedgie plastic, a little thin wedgie plastic. Obviously, red's one of our favorite.
Yeah, we're both using red.
But we love these spooler reels. These are so much fun.
Yeah,
I got one right on my screen right now.
I got one coming in too.
Right now,
I got one. I got one coming in. I got a couple on my screen right on my underwater right now.
Oh, mine left. It's on you.
Oh.
There, you can see him on your screen.
Ah!
He's right there in front of you. Now he's in front of me.
Nope, I still got him. Oh, did it a little bit. Got him here. It's actually a decent one. Felt decent at least.
A little on the 7 side. Hey, we're having fun.
If you want to call it 7, yeah.
This is better than the couch.
It is. We were texting a buddy on the way here, and he's like, "Why would you want to go out? It's better than sitting on the couch." That's what I said.
Can't catch a fish on the couch.
You cannot. I've tried. Doesn't work that well. Drop down.
Get another.
Yeah, we love these spooler reels. Just picked them up this year. I know we've been talking about them a whole lot, but hold on. Come on, buddy.
You like to run your rod kind of sideways like that?
I like to. I don't know. I've just always kind of did it like that.
You kind of like. I've watched this. Sometimes you even turn your head to the side too before a fish hits. I think you like to be half cocked.
Yeah, when I'm staring at the Vexilar, I'll sit there like this. So if you guys ever see us out on the ice and my head's sitting there like that, I'm probably marking a fish.
So what is Santa gonna get you for Christmas?
Live scope.
No, you don't want a live scope.
Why not?
You want a forward-facing sonar.
Yeah. Be cool.
You and your age.
Get to see muskies. They wouldn't eat. I'd get mad at them, but... Sorry about the dirt, guys, but he's coming back.
A little bluegill on TV action today, huh?
And he wants another piece of it.
Oh, he's coming out. Oh, he's got that Mackie. There you go. You got him. How did you miss that? I saw that Mackie all in his face. It was gone. It was gone in his mouth. There you got him.
There we go.
Third
Missed
time's
him
a charm.
3 times.
My goodness, kid.
It's a decent
It's
one.
an eater.
It's a pretty guy. Pretty gill. Yeah.
3 times to catch
3
him.
times. Hit it, and then that's why there's so much dust on the screen, because he turned on it, stirred up all the mud, and then he came back, hit it again. It was in his mouth. I set the hook, and my bait went gone, so, and then dropped back down, and he ate it again.
You're lucky.
Mackie plastic. I'm gonna re-rig this.
That's
thing.
that 1 1/8 Mackie, red Mackie.
Yeah, red.
Yep.
That was crazy. Never had him eat like 3 times before. I'll open up the Clam plastics case.
Clam Pro Tackle. There's so much stuff in Clam Pro Tackle.
There's a ton of stuff. If I don't drop my rod in the water, break my rod. Let's see, what are we looking for here? What looks tasty?
You haven't tried much motor oil in this lake.
Not really. I don't know, we'll see. Look through some colors here. Maybe white? White decent here. Motor oil might be pretty good too, like you were saying.
Black.
Black. That could be.
Black
good.
Silkies can be really good.
Oh, black silkies, yep. That's one of my favorites right there, black silky. You marking them over there? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, I'm marking a fish.
You got the hot hole.
Yeah, it's 2 feet away from yours.
Probably about 4. I'm gonna go with this. So I'm gonna Mackie plastic here.
Yeah.
A watermelon color, kinda.
Try that out.
Yeah, we'll try it out and I'll let you know how it works. Yeah, I think that's what they're doing. They're pretty tucked to the bottom, and yeah.
Unfortunately, with the weather conditions we got today, we really can't be mobile.
No, move a little bit with the shack. That's about it.
I got one on me.
Yeah. You did have one on you? Or was he on the bottom?
Can't believe how warm it is in the shack on low. It is absolutely nasty outside.
Yeah. I'll show you guys our temperature here. Oh, we're way off. I was in Delaware. I don't even know where that is. Here, we'll go where we are right here. Zoom in. My app here.
-5.
-5. It's chilly. But
The wind chill is nasty. It's 25-mile-an-hour winds out there.
Walking over here, I'll tell you, it was a little bit cold. I was kind of regretting forgetting the face mask. But, well, there's a little, is it a bass? A little baby bluegill. Little baby. Potato chip. But, what you gotta do? Can't be, I mean, I kind of wish you could catch fish on the couch, but you can't. Unless you got an ice house or something. Thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video. It was fun. We got out on a cold day, caught some bluegills, and one about crappie about that big, but yeah, we're just packing up some stuff in here. We're gonna go hit Mickey D's after this, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next adventure.